What up? Still at JDM Hawaii. That first part of the video you guys saw yesterday was kind of the introductory. I kind of wanted to just get to know Slater, get to know the person really who's importing all these cars before I do my own little inventory walk around, because I can't wait to look at a bunch of cars. Like this Hijet, super fire. We're gonna drive the Cappuccino later in this video. That logo is actually really nice. It's deck van. I've always wanted a deck van. I couldn't be too excited next to me because I didn't want to look crazy. But let's start off with this Hijet right here. I have no idea what year it is. Someone let me know in the comments because I love this thing. First of all, front end look, fire. The fact that it has rims, fire. The fact that the interior is peanut butter brown, fire. Even like this, like the logo for this is the guy's head and that's for his feet for the AC and like heat controls. Crazy. Love the logo here too. Horn works, that's nice. Bruh, beautiful truck. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's probably like a 80s or something. Really nice though, love it. Behind that we have a Suzuki Jimny, and really it has everything that you want in your Jimny in my opinion. Fog lights, decal that's not coming off, nice aggressive tires, turbo on the seats, cool little pattern on the back too, and 5-speed. And it has this thingy, so this thing is really nice. Headline needs to be a little freshened up, but oh, it has this too, love it. Thing is nice. What else we got? Suzuki van, that's sold. Hijet Climber sold. Honda Street van, you guys see all this. I want to show you guys stuff that we never see, like this mini cab right here. Don't even know the year. Again, I know it's super old. The interior of this thing is mint too. I doubt it's original, but maybe it is. Nice little burgundy everywhere. Looks like it was painted though, if I'm being honest. But this thing is super cool. Again, 550cc, 4-speed. Very nice. High-low still. Love the little pattern there. Very nice. Hijet. This mini cab's kind of cool with the logos like that, and then the rally art. Deck van though. This deck van, I'm gonna see if I get the keys to this. I've always wanted a deck van. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been wanting a deck van forever. One, they're super hard to come by, and two, they're kind of expensive. I mean, they're just as much as my Bravo, I guess, but you don't get nearly as many options in my Bravo. I'm gonna see if I get the keys for this at some point. But it actually has power windows. Wow. Oh, it has power windows all around. Okay, okay, okay. This is really nice. Love the steering wheel too. I don't know the price, and like, I guess I don't really care. Not that I don't care about the price, but realistically, I'm not gonna get this. If there's any car I'm going to get, it's that Cappuccino. But we have an Isuzu Elf. These things are cool. Subaru Sandbar. Let's check if it's supercharged. Nope, dash doesn't say it. But a nice little Sandbar. Blue Honda, very cool. Has a shift knob in there too. Very nice. Love me a colored K-Truck, including that green one over there. Oh, what the hell is this? What the hell is this? I did not know that that was coming here, but I cannot wait to look at this old ass. Looks like it's a Daihatsu. I don't know. Two Hondas though, are cool again. This Honda logo though, I know Josh from 844 Imports has one coming soon, so if you're watching this video, here's a in-person kind of review. Power windows, very nice. That one is automatic. 5-speed. Cool little seat covers. I'm not gonna take them off. Don't know what that does, but I was looking at this earlier. It says pole. But pretty sick. Nice little hatchback. It's not a K, but pretty small. We have a gray PTO dump. I'm noticing that he has a lot of like hard dumps, not so many of the soft ones. Oh, he take that truck away, or is it this Suzuki? Oh no, it's right there. We'll do that one after. We have this crazy Land Cruiser. We saw that in the last video. I don't even know where to start with this, honestly. Then we have this Hi-Ace, which is a removable hardtop, which is kind of cool. It's like a camper. This thing is neat. Oh, Hilux, not Hi-Ace. Hilux. But this thing is clean. 74,000 kilometers. It looks like it's really 74,000. Look at everything. Smells brand new in here. Very nice. I gotta check this out. What is this?
This is the Porter. Is it a Mazda? Yeah, Mazda.
Oh, the name is Porter Car?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's an 88, I think it is. 89. Yeah.
And this is the original color?
No.
Oh.
It's a repaint.
It's nice though.
Yeah.
I love how all the old cars have brown interior. I gotta sit in this. Yo, this thing is nice. This is so, it's smaller than a K-Truck somehow.
Yeah.
It's very clean though. Yeah, I love the seat. Yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, Mazda Porter cab.
Mazda Porter cab. Bet you guys never seen this before.
Look at the vent base. This is your vent.
For the heat and
But no,
air.
as you're driving to keep the
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's wild. Let me check out this Delica right here. I think it's unlocked too. Yeah, it is. Every time I think about getting something like this, I'm like, bruh, it's just too huge. It'd be a great camper, don't get me wrong, but living in New York, what am I gonna do with this? It's just too big. That's what she said. Anyways, Suzuki next to it, kind of normal. Hijet, blue, kind of normal. Save that for last since I'm gonna drive that. Hijet, kind of normal again. This Suzuki though, this is a fun thing you guys probably never saw before. So it's a scissor lift, which in itself is kind of rare. But it also has a crane attached to it. And then it has these things which kind of stabilize it. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. That's for the dump. Don't even know what all that is. I'm sure that does something as well. Very cool though. I'm happy that I'm in Hawaii obviously, but I'm happy that I'm seeing things I've never seen before. I'd be pretty bored and annoyed if I saw only like a bunch of Honda Actis and shit. Like even that Barbie truck, it's not here no more, he took it away. But if you saw my last video, the Barbie truck is pretty awesome too. Nice little Suzuki, different steering wheel, speakers in the door, 4-speed because there's a round headlight, nice green color. And then lastly, another Honda. But now let's look at this Cappuccino. So this one I think he told me is 16,000. So I would have to sell my Wagoneer and Miata, along with a bunch of other stuff obviously. But look at this thing. BBS, what are they called, like LM1s or something? Something like that, I don't know. These come off obviously. Red sparkle seat. Very cool steering wheel. I don't even know how that works. I actually would wish it did have the stock seats, but it has a rear like strut bar back there. Nice radio, 84,000 kilometers. He repainted it red. Love the side skirts, love the diffuser, love the exhaust. It has a great note to it. Wait till I start it. Let me see if I could pop the hood real quick so you guys can see what's under there. It has hard intercooler pipes, HKS blow valve, a bunch of fun stuff in there, honestly. Let me pop the hood. Look at all 660 cc's of goodies. So Blitz coilovers, hard intercooler pipes, air filter pointed down so I guess it's not sucking up all the hot air, HKS blow valve. Looks like he replaced most of the vacuum lines with nice blue ones. Same stock intercooler, I believe. I think he told me they put a bigger turbo on here too. He said he could easily go 80 miles per hour, which is kind of fast. But yeah, I'm about to get the keys right now and drive this Cappuccino. Oh man, I'm very excited. First of all, first time driving Hawaii, period. Secondly, it's a Cap. Thirdly, my first time really ever driving a Cappuccino. I drove one before, but it was only a little bit, so it didn't really count. This is about to be fun. Can't ride in the Cappuccino with the top up. Come on, that don't make no sense. But let me give it a nice start right now so you guys can hear this thing. That don't sound like no K car to me, man. That don't sound like no K car to me. right now though, like clutch wise and everything, super normal. It's not heavy, it's not sluggish. The idle isn't too loud. You guys heard the exhaust. Like right now, it kind of sounds like my Miata, honestly. Like right now in normal driving, A-okay. Once that was at 3,000 on the RPM, and it already is. So let's talk about the Cappuccino right now. I feel like I'm in my Miata. Like, and that's a good feeling. I don't know if I have to mention that. That's a very good feeling because I love my Miata. Or let's actually gun it right now. It's still not fast. It's still not like, but it's fun. It's fun. It's fun. I'm not gonna lie. That was very underwhelming. That was very underwhelming. I thought it would pull me back a little more. All right. So now that I'm sitting in good old Hawaiian traffic, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really thinking about getting this car, and it's much easier said than done. But I could sell my Miata for a good 10, 11. Right? I would need to come up with another 5-6 Wagon-R. I sell both those cars, and I can get this Cappuccino in kind of a trade in a way. I don't know how much it's gonna cost to go to New York. He said it costs like $800 to Cali. I'm assuming another $800 at least. And I'm not about to drive this from Cali, so let's not even joke around about that. But I'm really loving this car right now. Like, I love the fact that it's a convertible, but it's not a convertible. I hate that my Miata is a full-time hardtop. I love that I'm driving in Hawaii right now. Like, there's not really much to say about this car. Like, it's not quick. It's not as fast as my Miata by any stretch of the imagination. It pulls you back a little. Like, look. It pulls you back a little. But it just looks so good. And it makes all the right sounds. And I think this would be a great addition to the channel. So we'll see what happens. I'm probably gonna try back to him right now though. I'm gonna enjoy the Wagon-R, the Suzuki Cappuccino for a couple more minutes. But I'll catch up guys with the next one. This has been a fun video. Stay tuned for the next couple Hawaiian vlogs because they're all gonna be very, very fire. So I knew that I was gonna have a good time in Hawaii. Like, I knew that I was gonna see clean water. I knew that I was gonna see a bunch of like surfers and stuff like that. I did not think that I was going to see a Cappuccino that was this nice. I did not think that I was gonna be able to drive a car, period. Not a K car, a car, period. I didn't think I was gonna drive a car that made sounds like this. I did not think that I was going to find my next K car. Like, I really want this car. Just dropped the Cappuccino back off at JDM Hawaii. Shout out to Slater, man. That guy is a legend. He let me drive the car in Hawaii. He's just, if you want to buy a JDM car and you live in Hawaii, you know where to go. They got K trucks. They got your regular K car. They got a crazy K car. They got the scissor lift over there. I'll show you guys that before I end this video. They got the Jimny. They got the deck fan. He has like literally a sprinkle of everything. And then boom, huge Delica if you don't want anything small. But I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna edit all this for you guys. What a day. This is my first day in Hawaii. I landed at night. Bruh.